Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this beautiful makeup look which I've just created using only products which are under Rs.100. So this is basically a 100 rupee makeup challenge, and I've used pretty good makeup products which works really well on my skin, and they all are under 100 rupees. So this makeup tutorial is extremely affordable. So if you're a beginner and want to try out some makeup products which are under your budget, and if you are really on a strict budget, then you should try these products. And I hope that you like this video. It's a pretty simple basic makeup look. So yeah, without further ado, let's see how to create this makeup look using only products which are under Rs.100. So firstly, to create the base, I'm using two products. First is this Blue Heaven foundation, and the second one is this BB cream from Garnier, and I'm just mixing both these products on the back of my hand. So now after mixing both these foundation and the BB cream, I'm going to apply tiny dots all over my face and neck. And then with the help of a brush, I'm just blending all this out. So the mix of both these foundation and this BB cream works really well on my skin. But if you don't want to use them together, then obviously you can use them separately and just build the coverage as per your liking. They both are easily blendable and gives a medium coverage. The mixture of both these products gives a dewy look and a little shine to your face, which I absolutely love. And I'll mention all the product details in the description box, so you can check everything out from there. Now after blending all this out, I'm just applying a generous amount of that BB cream under my eyes as well as on the areas where I have a little darkness, and then I'm just gently patting it down and blending it really nicely with the help of my finger. And now to set it, I'm using this L18 face powder, and I'm just gently dabbing it under my eyes just to set my under eye area as well as to mattify it. And after setting my under eyes with this powder, now I'm going to take this large powder brush. And now using this brush, I'm going to apply this powder all over my face and neck just to set the whole face. So this compact powder is lightweight, super affordable, and mattifies the skin so well. It also sets your makeup really nicely and gives you a quite matte finish. Now for the blush, I'm using this Blue Heaven Diamond Blush on in the shade 503. And I'm just applying this blush onto the apples of my cheeks and dragging it towards the temple area. This blush has a satin smooth finish and it's really easy to blend, and it's also highly pigmented, so you have to be really careful while applying it. Just apply this blush light-handedly. Now for the highlighter, I'm using this Blue Heaven Shimmer Dust, and I'm using it to highlight my face. So for that, I'm just taking it on an highlighting brush and then dusting off the excess, and then applying it on the high points of my face like bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, cheekbones, as well as on the center of the forehead. So now after completing the base makeup, let's move on towards the eyes. And firstly, I'm doing my brows, and for that I'm using this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. So I'm just going to shape my brows with this pencil and using tiny and feather-light strokes to fill in the brows. Now again I'm using this Blue Heaven blush on, but this time I'm using it as a eyeshadow. And I'm just very light-handedly applying this blush all over my eyelid area using a brush. Now for the eyeliner, I am using this blue eyeliner. This is an eyeliner pencil and I just got it from a local shop for just Rs.20. And I'm just applying a thick liner with the help of this blue eye pencil. Now I'm using this Blue Heaven Kajal and I'm tightlining my upper as well as lower waterline with this one. Now using an eyelash curler, I'm just curling up my lashes. Now I'm using this 2-in-1 Blue Heaven ICU mascara as well as liner. So it is a 2-in-1 stuff. It has the eyeliner on one end and the mascara on the other end. But I'm just going to use the mascara from this one. And I'm just nicely coating my upper as well as lower lashes with this mascara. Now for the lipstick, I'm using this L18 Colourpop Silk lipstick in the shade P23 and I'm just gently applying it all over my lips. It's a very beautiful pink magenta color and I'm just dabbing it onto my lips because I don't want supremely pink color on my lips, and that's why I'm just lightly dabbing it onto my lips. And now on top of this lipstick, I'm using this Blue Heaven matte lipstick in the shade 11. And this is a matte lipstick and I'm kind of a matte lipstick person, and that's why I'm applying this second lipstick on top of the first one to mattify as well as to make it a little nude color. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. It will mean a lot to me. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.